Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week. Today we are going to be making these super cute diamond pockets. Now with one pocket you get one, two, three mini pockets inside. Very easy to make. I have used my October VIP lounge, which is a subscription that I offer on my website where once you joined every month you get some brand new digital papers delivered to your email address, a discount and a letter gift box as well. Before I show you how to make it, let me show you the actual papers. When I filmed that little piece of a video, I filmed that video with my old camera. So I apologize guys, but the audio will go on and off, on and off. I'm very sorry about it. I already filmed that, I'm afraid. But I've got a new camera now, so you should hear me properly. So let me show you the VIP papers for the month of October. The 3 paper packs, actually 4, because this month I have been extremely generous. Yeah, so you get your usual 3 paper packs plus a little extra this month, but let me show you everything. So the first paper pack is called Poppy's Parade. Poppy Parade is a collection of floral pages full of poppies. The main predominant palettes are red and greens, and there is a bit of gold, like very earthy color. So you got one full background, another background more like geometrical rather than floral, again with a similar color, so you can use those 2 pages in conjunction. You get another page here with the poppies and the leaves and some stars, and then that's my favorite. You get a full page full of lovely stars, greens and poppies there. So as you can see, you can use those 4 pages. If I put them like that, you can see they have been designed to be used as a mix and match. I love contrast. I love geometric contrast with floral, so I think those are gonna work very, very well. Okay, paper pack number 2 is called And Other Stories. Yes, and other stories, because the stories behind this is a story given by the lovely Ephemera on the background, and then I put your traditional autumnal sunflowers on the top. Now these sunflowers, again, the color palette I choose, have designed these sunflowers because I like the contrast with the orange and yellow and the blue. It's pure blue purplish. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, I think if I put it close to the camera, you probably notice more. But yeah, so that's that. And you've got 4 pages with Ephemera. So this is portrait. You've got these lovely sunflowers there. So if I put it like this, you can see it all. Then you get another page with the sunflowers. And then another page which is predominantly black and white. And then a pop of colour from the sunflowers. Okay, so this is called And Other Stories. And then because October is the month for Halloween, I wanted to treat my VIP members with a kit called Halloween Tarots. So this is a collection of Halloween tarots. There's a lot of characters in here. You get 10 tarots per page, so 10, yeah, you get 14 total. Okay, and everybody's different, so I'm not going to go through one by one, but you can make some tags, you can make some embellishments. Some of this can be used outside your traditional Halloween time, because yeah, there is this trend of floral and skulls that happen for a very long time. So yeah, you can see shadows. I love them. Love, love, love. Oh, where is that lady? I'll show you my favourite. Where is she? Oh, that's it. Sweetie Skelly. I love her. She's so, so sassy. And I love her. Love her, love, love it. So that's the 3 paper packs. Let me put it here so you guys can see. So you got Puppy Parade, And Other Stories, Halloween Tarots, and then as a gift from me, as a little extra treat, my VIP members for this month will get a collection of vintage ephemera Okay, so this is a collection of labels, tickets, advertisements. So it's two pages jam-packed of this. This can be easily fussy cut, and you can use to decorate project, or yeah, use them more like as an embellishment, I guess. The teeny tiny, although there's quite a lot on a page. And again, the color palette is the same, so it's like cream, pink and greens. So again, you can use the ephemera or your poppy parade, etc. Okay, so this is an extra little gift for this month. And last but not least, as we are carry on with the gift boxes, in October is the letter F. So this is what the letter F looks like. In fact, let me just get rid of this because I don't want you guys can't see it. So this is what the template looks like, and then you fussy cut all these parts and make the gift box. I'll show you the gift box in just a second. There is a private video tutorial that shows you how to put this together as well, so I filmed them separate. And when I send out the papers towards the normally like the 31st of the previous month, so the 31st of September, the guys, all my VIP members will get the paper. So you get a private video that says how you put this together. But let me show you what the gift box looks like. And this is, guys, what the letter F looks like. So this is not my design. This is actually from DJ, from Hyder and Yon Studio. We did a video collaboration together, and of course she gave me the permission to use her paper to create the letter F, because I did like this page. So this was my favorite page of her kit, and then she gave me the permission to use it to create the letter F. So in the past, we've done all the letters of the alphabet so far. We've done A, B, C. Let me zoom out a little bit. Done letter D, letter E, which was last month, and now is letter F. Okay, so after the letters, we will cover all the numbers as well. So yeah, but for now, what can we spell? We can spell face, F-A-C-E. But this is great if you want to make people's name. Do you know, it's a like little gift. That is brilliant. So yeah, so that's letter F. Okay, so let me show you. I've made this one already, which is basically the starting point is 5 by 5. I will explain everything in just 1 second. And I have used one of my favorite ever stamp sets, and have a look, because a lot of my Stampin' Up sets are from eBay. This I paid this full price, if I can speak. I bought the stamps and the die because sometimes I can't justify Stampin' Up prices. Sometimes I can. This was quite I thought it was quite reasonable. So I thought to myself, well, let's treat myself and bought it full price. A lot of my stamp set are from eBay, which is secondhand. So this one particular is called Painted Poppies. And you get stamps, but I bought the matching dies as well. So you get this one here, which generates you this really nice intricate design, which I have used around the poppies there. Okay. And I have used, no, I didn't stamp anything. I only used the dies. So you get the outline and the actual body of the poppies. And then this is another one when you got the outline and the body of the poppy. And then you got some stems in there. Okay, so this is what I have used. And so I make myself some flowers ahead. Okay, just to speed up the video. I don't think I'm going to use them all, but at least I got them. So this pocket here, you get, it's really, really easy to make. So the starting point is a square. Now, I have printed my kit front and back. So that's the only neat thing you need to think about, because if not, you're gonna see some white and no, it's not nice, but in this way at least you see all printers. Okay, so now this one here, I have used the geometric one as a starting point. On this one, my starting point is actually the flowers. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to simply fold it, but like in a half, but not to the very top. Leave yourself like a quarter of an inch. Okay, so you get this little space here. And that little space is basically what you will see in between the lines, which will form your pockets. Okay, fold it there and then rotate it and then bring this corner up again. Okay, like that. And again, don't fold it so it goes like that. Just offset it again. So you get another, probably like a quarter of an inch. Okay, and then press it. And guys, job is done. We're just going to put some of these in. I start again. Starting point, fold it in a half, but off center it. So you get this really nice border. Again, rotate it and then fold it again in a half from this side, but again, leave yourself a little border. And then we're just going to put some double side tape. You can use a glue if you wish. Now, show you. We need to do a little cut, but I'll show you in just a second. Now, to give you the diamond shape, okay, so you get this really nice diamond shape on top. With your scissors, don't measure anything, just cut it. Okay, and that gives you that diamond shape. Simple as. So you've got one pocket here, and then you've got two pockets on the back. How cute is that? Okay, so then we're going to decorate it. Now, I want to try to save that if I can. So I will probably put, should we try to do like the black, the big poppy? Oh, that's cute. I think I'm going to cut this in a half. Maybe, do you think we can fit two? Oh, yeah. So we're going to put some thin double side tape there. Oopsie. And then I'm going to put this black die cut pieces there. Should we put some on top? I think we should. It's not over decorated, but I think it needs a bit of, especially because I got them, so I want to use them. I think I'm gonna do there and there. And I think, yeah. What do you guys think? Yeah, I think we're gonna go for that. So I think I need to put this down first. Don't think too much. Sometimes you just need to go with the flow, as I say. And then just some in the middle there. Quick and easy. There. Okay, so this square is 6 by 6 and this square is 5 by 5. So as you can see, the one on my right is slightly bigger. So you can do any sizes that you want. I think we need to put something in there. I think I'm going to go for the third one. Yeah. I think this is annoying me. This little bit there. Yes, so much better. And I think I'm going to stick that on top. Or goes up, yeah. Let's do that. See, I have used everything. Everything that prepared, I said to myself, I'm not going to use it all because otherwise it would be too much. Well, I kind of covered the poppy, but it doesn't matter. And that's the back. So now you can glue this in your journal. You got the pocket like that, or you could put a paper clip, and that's your floating pocket. I think that's super cute. And again, as long as the starting point is a square. Oopsie, I'm keep throwing everything on the floor. So as long as the starting point is a square, you can do any sizes. Right, guys, I'm going to go. If you like this video, please, 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 big thumbs up, because it really helps with my journey here on YouTube. Every time you guys put a like on my channel, YouTube gets a little boop, 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 boop. And yeah, it just pushed my video a little bit. So it's basically a sign of interaction. So it tells YouTube that you like what I make. As I said, see if you can get this on eBay, secondhand, or Facebook Marketplace. I'm sure you can get hold of it just to make some poppies. Or if not, you can just simply die cut, fussy cut the poppies from the kit. So yeah, guys, I'm going to go. I will see you on Friday for a Friday freebie. And then if you wish to purchase and join my VIP lounge, I'll show you now where to find it. Okay, guys, so this is my website. So when you look at antoniomakes.com, so this is the homepage. If you click on VIP lounge, there you go. You got my membership plan. So you have a gold butterfly, which you pay £5 a month. And then you have a yearly one. So you got the VIP lounge yearly membership. Okay. So if you click on here, you have 30% discount across all digital papers on the website. 3 mini, at least 4 pages each. A monthly offer or a gift. A5 size of 5 art print delivered to your home address, and a special video with project and tutorial. So you get all of this when you subscribe for the gold butterfly on a £5 monthly plan. If you click on the yearly subscription, click on details, you got exactly the same treats that you have with the monthly one, but you basically pay once upfront. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and until Friday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.